Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the work area. Wear gloves and eye protection. Submerge the blade in white vinegar, 1 to 3 hours depending on rust severity, because acetic acid loosens rust chemically. Once done, remove the knife and rinse briefly, then sprinkle baking soda to neutralize acid and prevent flash corrosion. Make sure to have a soft nylon brush and a piece of 0000 steel wool ready for the next step, so you can switch immediately from chemical action to mechanical removal. Now you combine mechanical force with chemistry. Scrub gently along the metal grain with a nylon brush to lift loose flakes. For stubborn pitting, use 0000 steel wool with light pressure. This removes rust without deep scratches. Once a section looks cleaner, rinse and dab dry so water doesn't reintroduce rust. If patches remain, reapply vinegar for another short soak, then repeat the scrubbing. This alternating approach removes embedded rust while preserving the blade's finish and edge geometry. Finish by neutralizing and protecting the metal. Rinse, dry thoroughly, then apply a thin coat of light oil or metal polish and buff with a soft cloth to form a protective film. Make sure to resharpen and hone any edge removed during cleaning. Store the knife dry and oiled to prevent recurrence. If rust keeps returning, check for deep pitting. This is structural damage. In that case, seek professional reprofiling or replacement. That troubleshooting tip saves you time and prevents repeated efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.